So I just picked up an Osmo Pocket camera, and one of my focuses for this channel going forward is doing a bit more vlog content. And one of the types of vlog content that I want to focus on is getting myself out there and doing camping and solo camping videos. So I have a new tent, camping chair, and camping table on the way, and I also picked up some other gear to bring along with me for a solo camping trip. All this gear comes from mostly CountyComm or Alpaka, and if you want to get serious discounts on anything from CountyComm or Alpaka, use the affiliate links in the description below. I have a large discount for both of them, and you can save yourself some money if you're interested in any of this gear. So the first thing I wanted to take a look at was this new EDC pouch I picked up from Alpaka. This is called the Hub Pouch V2. And the idea behind this pouch is to be more of a combination EDC pouch and wallet. But I'm just not the biggest fan of using zipper pouches for wallets. I feel like they create too much friction. They get in the way of me accessing my card and all my stuff inside. So I really am not a fan of using it as a wallet, but it works great as a pocketable EDC pouch. So if you take a look at it, it has one reverse coil zipper that runs the length of the entire pouch. Then you have an AquaGuard zipper on the front, and both of them are YKK, as well as this little tool sleeve on the front. And in the back, you have a little loop if you want to add stuff like their hub attachments or a keychain or carabiner or anything. So overall, it's a really simple pouch. Inside this front tool sleeve, I've just got two different screwdrivers that basically cover all my needs as far as daily screwdriver tasks, and they're also pretty color coordinated. So I have this Hoto precision screwdriver. This one pivots on your palm, and if you pull it out, you have all these different double-headed bits. So it gives you a ton of different bits that fit magnetically into the top here, and then you can just spin it on your palm if you need to repair a knife, repair electronics, or repair anything with smaller screws. This is an absolutely essential option. Then I have this Concept EDC stubby screwdriver, and again, this one also pivots in your palm. And the nice part about this is it also has some bit storage if you unscrew the bottom. I've got 2 bits in there right now. It's made of full metal. It has this nice ombre color pattern, and it also has a magnetic holder for the bits in the front. So you can easily put this in your palm and just rotate it. And it's really just the perfect little heavy-duty stubby screwdriver. So between these two, I can cover a whole lot of tasks. Then in this front zipper compartment, I just have some extra bits, a ratchet adapter, some ratchet heads, and that's all. So I have some accessories that can easily fit in this little front pocket that zips away with the AquaGuard zipper. Then if you go to the inside of the pouch, you see you have like a little cash sleeve back here as well as some card sleeves. I'm not currently using them because, again, I said I'm not using this as a wallet. But it's useful if you wanted to use this as a wallet. You have some card sleeves, or if you're not using it for a wallet, you could put other things in here or slide something back there. Then I like that you have these 3 little elastic loops as well as this little slide pocket at the bottom that holds the gear in place. That's in the little elastic loops. So I just have this Work Pro pair of pliers. And it's kind of a clone of the Knipex. I have Knipex 2, but when I'm going on the road, I don't need to bring my expensive pliers with me. I bring these cheap ones, and they're actually a little bit shorter lengthwise, so they fit a little bit better in here, and they function almost the same. Really great little pliers. You can use them as a wrench because they have the little cutout in the teeth. They close really easily. So it's just a really great little cheap pair of pliers. Then I have one of my favorite little multi-tool knives. This is the Victorinox Farmer X. And in there, you have a flathead screwdriver with a bottle opener. You have a can opener. You have a knife blade. You've got this really excellently designed little reamer here. You have a nice saw blade. And then you have a really surprisingly effective little pair of scissors. So it covers a whole lot of bases for you, and it's a really nice overall knife. And then I just have this little glow-in-the-dark lanyard attached to it. And then the last thing I've got in this pouch is just a length of number 36 bank line. So if I needed to tie up a shelter, replace a shoelace, tie something to my belt, or make a necklace, I have all kinds of cordage to use. So overall, I've really been digging this as an EDC pouch. Then from CountyComm, I've just got this little Altoid style container. It's a little food grade tin. So you could technically put food in here if you wanted to. It's really nice. It has that topographical map design at the top. And I've kind of been into making those goofy little Altoids EDC kits. They're not the most useful or critical things to keep in your kit, but they're kind of fun. And this is also a great way to store bits or any kind of smaller gear. It's just a nice little hard-sided container that you can use in a variety of ways. Then also from CountyComm, I have this little pocket-sized, rugged, watertight storage box. So it has a little clip on the front and actually has this like rubber seal around the outside so that's waterproof. It's a nice hard plastic case. It reminds me of like a Pelican or something. And if you were going on a boat or going on some kind of beach or lake trip, you could put your headphones in here, any kind of SD cards, any kind of electronics, or maybe like your identification and money and stuff that you didn't want to get wet. It's just a nice little hard-sided case. Super rugged. You could throw this across the room, toss it off a roof, and it's not going to break. And it's extremely waterproof. So this is another really great little container to keep in your kit. Then I have this ready for action fixed blade knife. And this has a great length to it. It's got a black blade, really sharp, really dense, flat back blade, so you can use it to start a ferro rod. It's got Ultem scales on it. It's full tang, so it goes the full length of this handle, and it's triple bolted in there. Has a nice little loop at the end. If you wanted to add a lanyard or put this around your neck or something. I really love fixed blade knives, and especially for camping, these are great. You can use it to baton wood. You can use it to make tent stakes if you want to carve up some wood, do any kind of bushcrafting. And I really love Ultem. If you're not familiar with Ultem, it's this very industrial strength commercial grade plastic that withstands high and low temperatures. It's super resistant to any kind of crushing or breaking. And it's just a really strong, super plastic. And it's a really great choice for the handle on a blade. I love the length of this. The ergonomics on this blade are absolutely wonderful. And it comes with this really nice little sheath that also has a belt clip. Fits perfectly in there. And then it also has a lock to it, so you can press the button and undo the belt loop, or you could remove it entirely if you wanted to. Then when you close it, you can move this little slider over, and then it's locked to your belt. So it's just really useful in a camping situation when you just need a knife at your side for whatever tasks you're doing on your camping trip, whether it's bushcraft or survival or anything like that. You have a great little knife with a super rugged handle, nice sharp blade, and it's just a beautiful overall fixed blade knife. I'm really a big fan of this thing. Then also from CountyComm, I have a more rugged anodized metal screwdriver here. This one doesn't pivot in your palm, but it also has bit storage in the handle, and it comes with a bunch of bits with it. It's really rugged metal. It has a nice texture to it, so it feels great in the hand. It's really heavy duty. Really high quality metal material. It's a really rugged overall screwdriver, and you have a ton of different bits to work with, and it would also work with any of these bits. And then it magnetically fits into the end here, and then you could screw away your bits for storage. And you have an easy way to fix stuff if you're in a camping situation, or just keep this in your car or something. And it comes with its own little nylon sheath that you could attach to your belt or make a necklace out of. Overall, just a great extra option for using a screwdriver. Then in addition to the number 36 bank line, I picked up this micro reflective cord, 65 feet of this on this reel. It's super high visibility with the red, and it's also reflective. It can support up to 200 pounds, so it would actually work for like a hammock or hanging up a shelter depending on what you weigh. And it's just great to have some extra cordage with you, and it's really awesome to have it on this reel so that it's super compact, and it'll be easy to throw in a backpack or something. Then on that same camping tip, I've got this fold-out titanium grill mate, and this is so useful to have in a camping situation. You just fold these legs out, and you can put this over a campfire or over top of a butane stove or any kind of stove you bring with you. It could be an alcohol stove or one with those dry fill tablets or anything like that, a little stick burner. And you have a way to like grill a steak, cook up a burger, use it as any kind of grill grate, and it's titanium, so it's super resistant to corrosion, it's super lightweight, and it's really easy to clean and bring around with you. So this is gonna be my go-to little camping grill grate, and then it comes with its own little sleeve here. Then to go along with it, I have this titanium collapsible pocket stove. And all these things are also from CountyComm. And the price point at CountyComm is so nice. Like, they charge way less because it's kind of like an overstock company than going directly to the source, because a lot of times this is like overstock from companies and you can get it at a bit of a discount. Also, if you use my affiliate link, you get even more of a discount. Same with Alpaka. And this is just a collapsible stick burner stove that's made of titanium. So it just comes out really flat like this. And all you have to do is kind of fit these pieces together. And you can tell because these little tabs alternate, so you can tell which one fits into which piece. Then once you have 3 sides, you can kind of fit this bottom in. As well as the little grill grate here. Then there's this extra little piece that gives you a way to block things from falling down inside and gives you kind of like a stovetop at the top. So you just slide that in the side here. Then you can throw in this last side over here. And then just make sure you hook it on the other side. And then there you go. It snaps together nicely. You have a nice secure base here where you can put like a cook pot, a mug, a tea kettle, whatever you want. You have that ability there. And I love the little design on it. So it's a really cool little titanium collapsible stove. And this thing works great if you just need a little stick burner. If you don't want to remake your whole bonfire in the morning to make breakfast or make coffee, you got this guy right on hand. And then it collapses down pretty easily as well. Then you can just slide it right back into its little carrying case. So you have a lot of options here for both camping and EDC. And I really think I'm going to get a lot of usage out of all this new stuff that I picked up. So what do you think about these tools? Is there anything you'd recommend or that you'd replace with something different? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you as always for coming on this journey with me. And I appreciate all of you who like, comment, subscribe, and join me in these videos. It's awesome getting to know you all. And with all that being said, I will definitely see you in the next video. Take care.